Hi, I'm Dr. Alex Touchstone. Welcome back. In the previous module, we saw just how beautiful these restorations are in our patients' mouths. But let's face it, in order for these restorations to make sense for our practice, they must also realize some economic benefit. The production of these restorations using E4D as opposed to other methods must be more profitable. So in this module, we're going to take a look at just how efficient we can become when using the E4D system. In order to do this, I've prepared a clinical video of the restoration of teeth 29 and 30. We're going to go through this video and take a look at the speed with which we can complete each step using the E4D system. In this case, we're going to replace defective restorations for tooth 29 and 30. The preps are conventional ceramic preps with margin design and reduction requirements similar to that of a PFM crown or a porcelain inlay. Here we see Dr. Couch using retraction cord, however you may use any retraction method you prefer. Scanning the teeth and/or bite registration material feels like holding a handpiece, is accomplished without applying powder, and takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. We may choose to delegate the scanning and/or design to a team member, thus freeing us up to check hygiene or perform other procedures. The E4D software then gives us an initial proposal that requires only minor adjustments using intuitive tools, such as the rubber tooth tool seen in use here. When the design is complete, the assistant then places the selected block in the milling unit, and milling proceeds unattended for about 6 to 16 minutes. During this time, both the assistant and doctor are free to perform other tasks. Next, we perform a quick intraoral check of the occlusion and fit of the restoration. Restorations may either be polished in about 5 minutes or stained and glazed in about 15 minutes, depending on the materials used and the desired look. Once finished, the restoration is then prepared for bonding via acid etching and silination. The teeth are also prepared for bonding using the steps outlined in the resin cement manufacturer's instructions. The restorations are seated and illuminated briefly with a curing light to tack them in place and facilitate easy cleanup of the resin cement. And we can see we have two very beautiful restorations done in about an hour and a half using the E4D system. In the next module, we're going to extrapolate that out into what using the E4D system really means for our practice as a whole in terms of profitability.